To clean it up and put the insulation and things like that, you have to remove the sealing and the ducting. And those big ducting channels tend to limit the overhead storage and cabinetry that you can put up around the side. Some of the commercial guys who fit these buses out commercially tend to leave them in, at least on one side. We've taken them out on both sides, and this is our solution to ensuring that we still get air conditioning up the front of the bus and through the bus, and also the heating up the front and through the bus while we're driving. But I'm building a cabinet over the air conditioner at the back of the bus, but we're incorporating it into the system. So what I'm doing is cutting these ducts down that actually led into the side ducting, cutting them down, and then we're going to fit this section back into the air conditioner. Basically a section of a sewer pipe that I had left over, hasn't been used of course, but that's certainly strong enough and permanent enough to stay up there and not get shaken to bits by the air conditioner. Bring this outlet back in, and this will then fit in here like this and feed cold air into the cabin of the bus. At the same time, we've got the ducting going up to the front, which will put cool air into the cabin at the front of the bus, and so the two should meet in the middle and maintain a reasonable temperature during hot weather when we're driving along.